English Urdu pronunciation. 1 January, January. 2 February, February. 3 March, March. 4 April, April. 5 May, Me. 6 June, June. 7 July, July. 8 August, August. 9 September, September. 10 October, October. 11 November, November. 12 December, December. 1 January, January. 2 February, February. 3 March, March. 4 April, April. 5 May, 6 June, June. 7 July, July. 8 August, August. 9 September, September. 10 October, October. 11 November, November. December, December. Ashur 2 Hijri months. 1 Muharram, Muharram. Safar, Safar. 3 Rabi'ul Awwal, Rabi'ul Awwal. Rabi'ul Sani, Rabi'ul Thani. 5 Jumada al-Awwal, Jamadi al-Awwal. 7 Rajab, Rajab. 9 Ramadan, Ramazan. 10 Shawwal, Zawal Qada. 12 Zilhijjah, Zawal Hajj. 3 Desi traditional Urdu months used in Pakistan and India, also called Bharati Fasli Desi calendar. 1 Chet, Cheat. Vaisak, Vesak. Har, Sawan. Subadon, Padon. Asu, Aso. Katak. Mag, Mugger. Po, Mag. Famagan, Pagan. If you want, I can 1 Monday, Pir. Tuesday, Mungal. Wednesday, Thursday, Jamarat. Friday, Jamra. 6 Saturday, Hafta. Sunday, Atawar. Short form, Mon Pir. 2 Mungal, Wed, Bid, Thu Jamrat, Fry Jamra, Sat, Hafta, Sun, Atawar. His seasons. 1 Spring. 2 Summer, Girmio, Mausami Gurma. Autumn, Fall, Khazan. Winter, Sardiya, Mausami Sarma. Desi traditional Urdu seasons used in Pakistan and India. Basant, spring, Basant. 2 Garmsa, summer, Girmsa. Barsat, rainy season, Barsat, Pachad, autumn, Patjherd. 5 Sardian, winter, Sardian. In 1 First, Pehla, Pehli. 2 Second, Dusra, Dosari. 3 Third, Tisari. 4 Fourth, Chota, Choti. 5 Fifth, Panchwan, Panchwin. 6 Sixth, Chita, Chati. 7 Seventh, Satwan, Satwin. 8 Eighth, Atwan, Atwin. 9th, Navan, Nuin. 10th, Daswan, Daswi. 11 to 20 ordinal numbers. Cardinal, ordinal Urdu translation and levity. 11 11th, Gyarawan, Gyarawi. 12 12th, Barawan, Barawi. 13 13th, Terawan, Terhawi. 14 14th, Chadawan, Chadawi. 15 15th, Pandarawan, Pandarawi. 16 16th, Sulhawan, Sulawi. 17 17th, Satrawan, Satrawi. 18th, Atarawan, Atarawi. 19th 19th, Iniswan, Iniswi. Bisme. 21 to 30 ordinal numbers. Cardinal Urdu translation. 21 21st, Akeswin, Akeswan. 22 22nd, Baiswin, Baiswan. 23rd, Taiswan, Tiswi. 4 24th, Chonwi, Chonvia. 25 25th, Pachiswan, Pachiswi. 26th, Chabiswan, Chabiswi. 27th, Sataiswan, Sataiswi. 28th, Ataiswan, Ataiswi. 29th, Intiswan, Intiswi, Teswan. Special notes. 1. Ordinal numbers show position or order. Urdu, तरतीब या मकाम बताने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. Examples in sentences. He finished first in the race. वो दौड़ में पहला आया. Today is my 21st birthday. आज मेरा 21वां सालगिरह है.